University of Allahabad recruitment in professor assistant. Date of 28 September 2021 are coming soon. Applications are invited from citizen and observer citizen of India. The post of professor assistant of various departments. Central Institute of University. The university reserves the right to change the number and nature of post vacancy of any category. Also withdraw particle in full advertisement without assigning any reason. The qualification shall be UGC minimum qualification for appointment to teachers and academic staff. University and college others measure the maintenance standard of high education. The regulation 228 the reverse under SC, ST, EBC non-criminal EWS and PW category shall be per UGC guideline. Get goal rules. The official website the Allahabad University AC.in. The online application will be start 28 September to 21 or starting fees payment 28 September to 21. Last date for online registration 27 October to 21. Last date for final submit online application for 27 October to 21. Application fees of facility charge in NR. The UR EWS OBC total amount 1550, SC ST 650, PWD 15, UR EWS और OBC तो क्या होगा 550, SC ST 250 और PWD दिव्यांग एंड वुमेन्स 15. The vacancy for the post of assistant professor categories of specialized disability driving the anthropology, arithmetic, person, biochemistry, informatics, biotechnology, botany, chemistry, commerce and business administrations, computer education training, defense study, economics, education, electronic communication, English and modern Eurasian language, the environment studies, the experimental meteorology and pathology, the film and theatre, food technology, Gandhi Institute, geography, global and other subject on categories wise divided by the post of professor assistant. The script of the specialized disciplines. The script of specialized discipline, the one of the analytic chemistry, second one of French, one of Russian and one for German, the one of the photography, one for Paul Prickett and for the Webic study, the one of the agriculture, zoology and anatomy, the painting applications, arts, graphics, sulfurs, sculpture and one of agriculture, botany. They are post identify the reverse of the person benchmark disability suitable category on benchmark disability. The NCT history and culture they both are different subject in the divide by in the post and other the and category wise. The general instruction. The recruitment will be according to UGC relation to 20 and the basic guidelines issued UGC from the time to time date the issued by employment notification. The eligibility will be entitled the candidate be called the interview. The listing of the candidates to be called the interview shall be per appendix table, second tables, the 3A UGC relation subject or filling all the essential eligibility criteria maintained for direct recruitment for the post of assistant professor. The UGC realization. The remarks facility position. The candidate must be ensured they have research publication of specialization due to the desired the as per clause the 3.10 UGC relation 228 to 2018 the PhD degree shall be mandatory qualification of direct recruitment to the post of professor assistant in university with effect from 107 to 21 the according to the UGC relation 228 the aimed from the time to time the including the amendments application applying for the post of assistant professor must be certificate in the preceded the format of the consider the university to effect the PhD degree in compliance with relevant UGC relation award PhD degree. The eligibility marks 50.55% the equivalent degree of point of the scale where the regarding system is follow the election 5% categories maintained UGC relations 2018 permissible the based only the qualify marks without include any gross marks. The only matriculation SSC certificate pass certificate issued by the concerned education board will be considered the proof of the date of birth. The date of birth and education certificate and proof of original documents. The other documents will be accepted. The verification to date of birth. The other documents are accepted and this write in the right of your date of birth in same documents. The candidate belong the SC, ST, SB, EC category should submit proper state caste certificate as per the pro forma of Government of India. The citizen belongs to SEBC category but coming the in ceremony layer will not be emitted to the benefit of regulations and shall have the applied a general category candidate. The candidate EWS category should submit proper criteria as per pro forma of Government of India. The candidate must ensure apply for the eligibility according to the criteria stipulated in the advertisement. The candidate found the illegal stage recruitment process he if they disqualified then other candidate will be cancelled. Then if the wrong forum was cancelled in other categories they will be cancelled for information or submitting false information will be lead cancellation. Candidate will be stage of recruitment. The University of Research schedule cancels suspend the recruitment process without sufficient reason. University will be final application of entire the curriculum change the date or related to recruitment professor will be available in official website in the Allahabad University allahabuniversity.in per. They who are applying against the advertisement assistant professor 101222019 date 2304-2019 shall be charged 500 UR AWS and OBC as 200 SC ST apply along the facility charge of 50 and only they must be apply press they can you apply for official website the Allahabad University.in the in detailed advertisement and submission of online application. The last date for submission online application 27 October 2021. They can apply for assistant professor in the conduct will be exam and for submission. Thank you.